Hey, what's going on, family? Um, Feeling much better today. I don't know, not much better, but I'm feeling better today. I think I may actually get out and go for a ride on the motorcycle for a little while. Um, cool thing is, I can do that. Um, so, what I really wanted to talk about was passion. You know, it's so easy to deceive oneself into thinking that we're doing such a great job. Whatever it is that we're doing, it doesn't even have to be work. It doesn't have to be work related at all. It could just be anything. And if I'm not passionate about what it is that I'm either working on or talking about, what's the point? Uh, I have to stop coasting, uh, put the car into gear, and actually drive. Uh, if I am not taking real action, if I'm not taking real steps towards my goal, uh, there really is no point. It's that way for me. It's that way in life. It's that way in business. It's that way with my relationships. It's that way with everything. I have to really be serious about doing what it is that I'm doing, or the outcome is pretty much decided before I ever start. I am not one to fail easily. I make lots of mistakes, but mistakes are okay. I learn from my mistakes. If I'm not doing something uh, outside of my comfort zone every once in a while, I'm always going to stay in the same place. And who wants to do that? So be passionate, have some conviction about what it is that you're doing, whatever it is that you're working on, whatever relationship it is that you're in the middle of. Um, be convicted, be passionate, and I believe that you will really be happy with the results. So that's all I've got for right now. I may come back and do something a little bit later this afternoon after I go out and sit on the motorcycle for a while and see what I see. Maybe I'll come back and share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again real soon. Until then, have a great day.